Good afternoon, everybody. Once again, welcome back to another session of class online teaching. And today we will be learning a poem. And I would like you to first hear the sound which I am going to play for you and tell me which bird sings this song. Did you guess which bird is singing? I'm sure you must have guessed the beautiful song of this bird, the cuckoo bird. All right. So as you can see the poem in your book, have you seen the cuckoo bird? And the writer or the poet is Swapna Datta. Who is the poet here? Swapna Datta. Let's read the poem together. Let's sing it together. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. Now in the first stanza of this poem, the poet is saying that she has not seen the bird which is raven colored. Raven colored means it's a black bird, big bird, and looks almost like a crow. And the poet says it can hear the cuckoo bird singing. Okay? Have you heard a cuckoo bird sing? That means it can hear, she can hear her, but she has not seen it. Next stanza. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night. Here in this stanza, the speaker is saying that the speaker can't see the bird as it's hidden in the thick and dense leaves of the tree. And the speaker hears the birds lovely singing at night. Now here in this stanza, champak tree is mentioned. Now what is a champak tree? It is a tall tree with many yellow or white flowers that have a strong sweet smell. So this is a champak tree. I'm sure some of you have seen it. Okay, now let's go to the next para which says, cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Now in this stanza, what is the cuckoo bird saying? The cuckoo bird seems to be singing about her dark color and that there is no other bird that can sing like her. Okay? So these are the three stanzas of the poem. Have you seen a cuckoo bird? Let's all read it together again. Let's start. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night! Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Alright, I would want each one of you to learn the full poem, and word meanings are at the bottom of your book. Please copy them down. There are some question answers at the back of the book. What color are the cuckoo's wings? Where is the cuckoo? Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? When does the cuckoo sing? What does the cuckoo say? All this I will be answering you on the board. And at the same time, I will be giving you as homework in the written form.